What's going on YouTube? This is Corey with Tower City Games and TowerCityGames.com. I have a bit of a mail day today. It's about 200 cards. It is from a friend of mine. I don't exactly know what I have purchased, but they will all be available at TowerCityGames.com today if they haven't already been sold. So let's go through and see what all we got and see what you can buy from us. We have a Hall of the Storm Giants ×2, Pest Infestation, Cemetery Prowler, Hellkite Charger, a Fervor, Tyrannix Rex, Rankle, Master of Pranks, Brotherhood's End, a Tribute to the World Tree. Our second pack here, we have a Diabolic Intent, an Unwinding Clock. We have 4 copies of Shipwreck Marsh, Heat Shimmer, a Goblin Bombardment from Tempest. That's pretty cool. Ashnod's Altar, Retro Frame, a Krinko Mob Boss from M13. It's getting reprinted in Commander Legends. Who's excited about Commander Legends? I am, for sure. We will definitely have some available on the website at TowerCityGames.com. We have a Lightning Greaves from Commander 2019. Impact Trimmers, Goblin Chieftain. It's a little... ooh, it's pretty heavily played. Splinter Twin, a Colony Hydra from Worldwake, and a Colony Hydra from the list. Next one is very exciting here. Orcish Bowmasters. This card is making lots of waves. Lost March of the Ents. This card also seems pretty cool. We have a Yavimaya full art from the Lord of the Rings set. Full art Sensei's Defining Top. A couple of Chalice of the Voids from Time Spiral Remastered. Love the retro frame times Chalice of the Void here. Traxa, Grand Unifier, Steam Vents from Return to Ravnica, Tarmogoyf from Time Spiral Remastered, and a Divinity of Pride from Commander 2013, I believe. Next up here, we have a Deadeye Navigator, Not of This World, Tezzeret the Seeker, Giada Font of Hope, Witch King of Angmar. This card has exploded in price. An Elven Chorus ×2, Forge Anew, full art, or borderless rather, Tempt with Discovery, and another Tempt with Discovery from the list. Next pack here, we have an Obnixilis from Streets of Obnixilis the Adversary, rather. Blackcleave Cliffs, Wormcoil Engine, Wooded Bastion, Sulphurous Springs, a borderless Turn Timber Symbiosis. Academy Manufacturer, Reflecting Pool, Visions of Beyond, and an Overwhelming Splendor. Next up, we have a Path to Exile from Magic Fest. I love this art. It is so beautiful. Death Shadow, Dross Messenger, Windfall, Praetor's Grasp, Valky God of Lies, Lotus Cobra, Thespian Stage, Brainstorm, Japanese alternate art. Love that. Is it foil etched? Yeah, it is foil etched. And a Vanquisher's Banner. have a Hive Mind, Platinum Angel, a Realm Walker, a Training Center, a Sword of Forge and Frontier. I think this is the first one of these I have seen, actually. The art is great. Vivian Monsters Advocate, Borderless, or Full Art. Dress Down, Rogern Triumph Showcase, Natural Order from Mystical Archive, and a Shieldred, and True Scriptures. We have a Chromatic Lantern on Mystic Forge. Ooh, a Mana Drain from Commander Legends. Love that. Jace the Mind Sculptor from Double Masters. Goblin Chieftain, Gauntlet of Power. One with the Multiverse. It's like a super powered future sight. It's kind of cool. Skull Clamp, Goblin Trash Master, and Goblin Rabble Master from Magic 2015. Fun fact, this card I opened in my first ever booster pack. Good one to open at the time. It was like $25 or something. Very excited. Next up, we have another Orcish Bowmasters, a Nazgul 100, the Mycosynth Gardens, Doomscar, Spark Double, Narset's Reversal, Knight Errant of Eos foil. It's the first foil card. Hawkins National Library. I do not know what this card is. It's a Secret Lair card. Oh, the Upside Down. Is that supposed to be printed that way? Skyclave Apparition, a pair of Drago Warcallers from pre-release promos, and a foil full art Orcish Bowmasters. That's really nice. Let's set that one aside here. Straighten up my stack a little bit. We have a Delighted Halfling, a couple of Returned Wild Speakers, Nature's Claim, a couple more Orcish Bowmasters, Nissa Who Shakes the World, Finale of Revelation, Bolas' Citadel. This is a Draft Weekend promo, and a Borderless Full Art Dark Slick Shores. There was a foil in here. Keep the foil separated. We have another Orcish Bowmasters, full art, a Waterlogged Grove, foil Sunfall. This is a pre-release foil Sunfall. Mystic Forge, Sigarda's Aid, Solemnity, Asika's Chariot ×2, and Kodama's Reach ×2. Make that Kodama's Reach ×3. Ooh, we have a Expedition Verdant Catacombs. That's nice. It's in great condition. Neheb the Eternal. I believe this card's getting reprinted in Commander Masters, so it's probably lost some value. The Book of Exalted Deeds, Full Art Wrath of God. I love the art on this. Delighted Halfling, Borderless Otawara, Play with Fire, Leer, and Welcoming Vampire, all from double feature. Not a huge fan of these. Next up, we have a Woodland Cemetery from Innistrad, Mystic Forge, Sword of Once and Future, a Borderless Minas Tirith, Oh, there's 2 arts. I did not know that there was 2 arts to this, but there are 2. A Dolmen Gate from the list, and a playset of Gandalf the White. Next package here. So many sleeves. We have a full art foil Minas Tirith, foil Bonded Fetch, a foil Metamorphic Alteration, foil Mondrak Showcase, foil Elishnorn, Mother of Machines Showcase. That's gorgeous. Got a foil Mountain from Kamigawa Neon Dynasty, Delighted Halfling foil, Gwenna Eyes of Gaia, Borderless foil. We have an Impulse foil from the Vault 20, and a foil Shivan Devastator. Archangel Elspeth foil, Shivan Gorge from the Vault Realms, I believe, foil ×3, Farewell Borderless foil, Uncle Istvan Time Spiral foil. There's no telling what that is worth. We have a Snow-Covered Swamp from Modern Horizons full art foil, the One Ring Borderless foil from the bundles, foil Maskwood Nexus, and a promo pack Grey Merchant of Asphodel foil. Have a Alinda the Dusk Rose full art foil. Foil still go in the stack. Remunup Excavator. This is a pre-release promo of some sort, draft weekend promo, I guess. Bring a Friend Reliquary Towers, got a couple of those. A couple of media promo Nyx Lotus. Love the art on that card. We have a foil Cityscape Leveler. This is a foil Delay from Mystery Boosters. Another Remunup Excavator, and a foil etched Crucible Worlds. Oh, that's gorgeous. We have a promo pack Fauna Shaman, an Elishnorn, Commander's Plate. I don't know, this may also be getting reprinted in Commander Masters, not sure. Linvala, Keeper of Silence from Jumpstart. And then I believe, I do remember him telling me there was a stack of Nazguls. So we have a 334 and a 338. And then these are all Nazgul 100s for there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and a 14. I think there was one more somewhere. So I have about 15 Nazgul 100s. Well, that's my mail day today. Definitely think these are probably the 2 highlights of this particular mail day. My name is Corey with Tower City Games and TowerCityGames.com. Come check out the website and pick up some cards. It's always cheaper to buy from us on our website than it is to buy from us on TCG Player.